So the catch mechanism which lowers the disc is this pin right here. When a disc is inserted, it applies tension to that spring, only a very slight amount. Applies tension to the spring, and then once pushed in, there are two arms. One arm opens the cover, the one I'm moving right now. So that's a pin which moves the disc cover, exposes the disc, and then once inserted further, the hole in the arm pulls that little lever there, and it moves that arm out of the way. That pin, this pin. Now, what can happen is what you're seeing right here. So if I move the pin even very slightly, it will shut. No, it will go down, and it can cause this. Now this is a result of a pin. So let's see if we can recreate it. Okay, so if I do it very slowly and we apply tension to the spring, you can see it catches better. Now what you can do is remove this spring. Let's see, do we have a flathead? So we can remove the spring, remove from the, oh yeah, remove from this side, the side of the loop, not the, there we go. And evaluate it. So keep in mind these springs are old. They've probably developed a memory. This one looks pretty good. Now what you can do when reinstalling it, not before reinstalling it, is apply super glue. Come on, go in the hole. Okay. So what you can do is apply super glue to the hook end. So the hook end, not the loop end, while it's off the disc, off the drive. And I'm talking the smallest drop of super glue of all time. Come on, get out. Okay, it's hooked in there. Yeah, so a very, very, very small drop while it's contracted, so together, off the drive. Just let it dry, and you'll be able to reinstall it, and this will put more pressure on this pin, if that's what's failing.